Alright guys, so it's maintenance time with PA. Today we're going to change the transmission fluid on a 2020 Canam Renegade 1000. Let's go. First thing I do is get this cover off. So let me get this cover off and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, we had to bust open the manual, and this is why. I'm going to show you. On a 570, if it focuses, you will see that's where your drain plug is, that's where your oil plug is. On the thousands, it's different. Thousands, the plastic piece right here is your fill. Right below it is your drain. I'm using a 1/2-inch wrench to loosen it. If you do not bust your knuckles, you obviously have smaller hands than me, or you're a better mechanic. I always have to bust my hands getting this off. I used a 1/2-inch wrench to get that off. I came through from the back end, as you can see. If I'm coming on the right side, I can't get any leverage to basically loosen it. So this is such a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. We got it out. Note to self, note to you guys, go ahead and spray some WD-40 or some liquid wrench or some sort of penetrating oil prior to trying to loosen it. A little tip, but we're gonna let this drain and we'll catch back to you in a moment. All right, guys, so just like with the rear diff and the oil, there's a washer. You wanna make sure that that washer is still intact, and you're gonna stick, obviously, we're gonna put that back in the drain plug all the way down there. Box calls for 450 milliliters of 75W140. Last time we used Royal Purple, it seems like it did well. We're gonna give Valvoline a shot, see how it does. Inspecting it, it's pretty clear still. As you can see, guys, the oil basically stays on top of the skid plate, so it's just a freaking mess. So after we fill this up, we'll catch back up with you.
One hour later.
All right, guys, just got done pumping all the oil in there. 450 milliliters. It says do not overfill, so just be careful, guys. Don't know what damage would happen if you did overfill, but it does say don't overfill. So got that pumped in there. Took about 15 minutes, but anyhow, about to go clean this off and call it a day. All right, guys, and that's how you change the transmission fluid on a 2020 Canam Renegade 1000. That's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.